It doesn't always require special talent, training, or experience for you to grow and move up in the organization you work for. There's a few simple things you can do to excel as a contact center agent that will make a positive impression on your colleagues and your employer. This is your contact center coach here to give you 10 tips that will help you succeed at your job and requires no special skills.
This video is brought to you by Benchmark Portal and is a sample of over 30 micro-learning videos you will receive as a subscriber to the Learning Channel Plus, designed by our experts specifically for improving contact center agent skills. Each video is about 5 minutes long and packed with useful tips. As a subscriber, you and your colleagues will receive unlimited access to the videos and instructional materials for only one low annual fee. We have a great offer right now that we'd like to share with you. Contact us as shown here or link to our website above or see the comments below. We hope you enjoy this video and take advantage of this great offer while it lasts.
Arriving on time shows your employer that you're reliable. It also shows your colleagues that you respect them. Because if you're persistently late to work, who handles the calls when you're not there? Your colleagues, who now have to carry that workload for you. And of course, it's hard to create great customer interactions when you're not there to interact with customers. Being organized helps you manage your time effectively. With a large volume of calls arriving, you can easily become overwhelmed without an organized workspace. Being organized also helps you access the information you need quickly and efficiently, which minimizes errors and avoids misunderstandings. When you're organized, you're less likely to miss important details or forget to follow up with a caller. When you're passionate about your job, you're more likely to put in extra effort that makes you stand out. Passion helps you to stay motivated and engaged in your work, driving you to constantly learn, improve, and grow. Passion helps you to have a positive attitude, which can be contagious to your colleagues and customers. Because when you love what you do, it shows in the quality of your work and the impact you have on your organization. Being reliable builds trust with colleagues and superiors because they know they can count on you to deliver on your commitments. This leads to increased responsibilities and opportunities for advancement. Being reliable also helps reduce stress and increase productivity because you're better able to manage your workload. People who are reliable are seen as valuable assets to their organization, increasing opportunities for career growth. Teamwork improves efficiency, increases productivity, and achieves common goals. When agents work collaboratively and support one another, they share knowledge and resources, providing more accurate and timely information to callers, leading to greater customer satisfaction. Teamwork also promotes a positive work culture where agents feel valued and supported, reducing stress and improving morale. Being a team player can lead to career growth because it demonstrates a commitment to professionalism, collaboration, and a strong work ethic. Feedback from supervisors, colleagues, and customers can provide valuable insights into how you can improve your performance and customer interactions. By being open to feedback, you can identify areas for improvement, learn new skills, and adapt to changing customer needs. So always make the most of the feedback you receive and the coaching opportunities your center provides. This leads to increased job satisfaction, professional growth, and career advancement because it demonstrates a commitment to continuous learning and improvement, which is highly valued in any organization. Call centers are dynamic environments that require agents to handle a wide range of complex or challenging situations. Being adaptable allows you to quickly respond to changing customer needs, policies, or procedures, ensuring that you can handle any situation effectively. Being adaptable allows you to work effectively in a team environment, collaborating with colleagues to find solutions to complex problems. Adaptable agents can easily take advantage of changing technologies and tools in the call center, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively. A positive attitude helps agents stay motivated, focused, and engaged, even in stressful or challenging situations. It can also help you create a positive caller experience because customers respond better to friendly, positive people. Being positive also helps create a supportive work environment where everyone feels motivated, encouraged, and appreciated. Going the extra mile sets you apart from your peers and creates a better customer experience. Take time to listen to callers' concerns, offer additional support or resources, or provide personalized service. Doing something extra can build rapport and trust with callers, increasing the likelihood of loyalty and repeat business. Going above and beyond demonstrates a commitment to excellence and a strong work ethic, which leads to career growth and recognition for you. Although call center work is done over the phone, it's still important to maintain a professional appearance, even when your work is from home. How you dress creates a positive impression while demonstrating a commitment to professionalism and attention to detail. This can increase your confidence and contributes to a positive work environment, as people feel more motivated and productive when working in a professional atmosphere. If you want to move up in the organization you work for, then dress for the job you want. This is your contact center coach saying, game over. Now, go out there and be great.